Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Light and Power Company Jamaica Public Service, JPS, is reporting a net profit of US $13.1 million for its first quarter ended March. That works out to roughly 2 billion Jamaican dollars after tax for the 3-month period. JPS revenue was US $254.6 million for the period. That's compared to US $244.3 million in revenue for the same period in 2023. During the period, the company says it faced higher fuel costs along with the increased cost of sales. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says the Tax Administration of Jamaica, TAJ, is working to bring in the outstanding corporate income taxes owed by firms for last fiscal year. The category was short 14 billion Jamaican dollars based on the tax projections for the 2023-2024 fiscal year, affecting the country's fiscal surplus target. Speaking with Radio Jamaica News, Dr. Clark said an analysis will be done on the factors leading to the outstanding payments. Based on Jamaica's Income Tax Act, unpaid sums owed to the government will also accumulate interest from the day after it's due. Guyanese and Jamaican private sector interests have pledged to increase trade and investment activities between their respective countries. In 2022, Jamaica exported US $26.6 million worth of products to Guyana. The main products that Jamaica exported to Guyana were refined petroleum worth US $15.1 million, flavored water worth US $1.1 million, and vermouth, a flavored wine that was valued at US $1.02 million. Guyana exported US $101 million to Jamaica, with the main products exported to Jamaica being rice, worth US $58.9 million, non-filet frozen fish, worth US $24.3 million, and fish fillets worth US $8.34 million. During the last 26 years, Guyanese exports to Jamaica have increased at an annualized rate of 10.8%, from US $7.08 million in 1996 to US $101 million in 2022. During the trade mission, Guyanese Foreign Secretary Robert Persad met with Jamaica's Industry Minister Aubin Hill, who led the Jamaican Export and Investment Mission to Guyana from May 12 to the 15th. During trading for the period of May 13, 2024 to May 17, 2024, the following companies valued at 500 million or more Jamaican dollars in assets represent the overall volume leaders in terms of equity sales on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway for the week had 179,979,136 units, amounting to 71.01% of the main market volume in terms of equity sales. Investment house JMB Group, 7.25%. Variable JMD cumulative rate preference shares with 30,172,595 units for the week amounted to 11.9% of the main market volume in terms of equity sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares traded for the week an amount of 18,111,687 units, amounting to 7.15% of the main market volume in terms of equity sales. During trading for the period of May 13, 2024 to May 17, 2024, For that week on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the following companies represent overall volume leaders in terms of sales of equity on the junior stock market, with companies valued at 50 million Jamaican dollars or more in asset value. Electrical and hardware distributor Phosrich Company for the week traded 161,293,034 units, amounting to 84.93% of the junior stock market volume in terms of sales. Online educational platform One-on-One Educational Services Limited for the week traded 7,807,764 units, amounting to 4.11% of the junior market in terms of sales. Microfinance lender Dollar Financial Services Limited for the week traded 3,355,615 units, amounting to 1.77% of the junior market volume in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 17, 2024, registered a volume of 499,090 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at 2,803,015 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 46 cents. First Caribbean International Bank Limited was a volume leader with 138,923 shares, changing hands for a value of 958,434 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 92 cents, followed by JMB Group Limited with a volume of 125,155 shares being traded for 161,391 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 86 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 17, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that $49.9 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $60.5 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.01 and bought the US dollar for $155.48. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.53, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 96 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.58 and bought for $114.62. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $7.95, selling it for $199.35 and buying it for $191.58. For our credit report tip of the day, let's talk about losing a job. It can be a very, very tough experience, but it's important to stay proactive. So you will have heard that looking for a new job is a job in and of itself. But also, when it comes to maintaining and rebuilding your credit, that's also a job. One of the first things we encourage you to do is assess your current financial situation, review all your expenses, and create a new budget based on your current income. Identify essential versus non-essential expenses to find areas where you can cut back. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.